with it. I'm not gonna lie, I still go through that. Because we're humans, you know, we have days when we're up there, we're very confident, we're having an amazing time, pero we have days na parang we don't really feel so confident, na we don't feel so beautiful. Alam mo yun, and that's normal, we're all humans. But for me kasi it's really important, you know, when you take care of yourself. That's why when they say that self-care is important, it is very, very important because it helps, you know, not just with your confidence, but it helps with your mental health as well. So when you say kasi self-care, doesn't necessarily mean that you have to go to the salon, you have to get a manicure. You know, it can be as simple as eating your favorite food or taking yourself out kahit sa mall, just, you know, just spend time with yourself, or even just doing your skincare and everything, and that really does wonders. I love food. So it's as simple as going out and going to my favorite restaurants and having my favorite dish. It's as simple as that.